Hey guys, Michael here today. I'm making a video, but a glitch video, how to noclip but without hacking. Very simple. Look, bank's open, but I don't have no keycard. Look, go in first person. I guess you can do that way, but yeah, you can try. You can do that way. It's the easier way, but I do the hard way. The easier way makes it not good because you can't go through walls. Can get here for bomb does. And explode in my face. Thank you. Hey, stop. Alright. Well, take the money. But let me show you if you do the hard way. If you do the hard way, look, you won't be able to go through walls. So if I was you, down, wait, oh crap. Alright, once you got done with that, go here and you have no keycard again. Just do the same thing and bing bada boom and boom. Now I'm going to show you it works for anything. Right now I'm going to rob the jewelry store. I'm trying to get to 100,000 where I can buy a Lamborghini. Lamborghini is so easy to get. Just need 100,000. Bank is open. Now go. Okay, get money. I've just been being the VIP server trying to get to 100k. But now, then you can try to go here and glitch out and there we go. Crap. I'm out. If I have to do this lasers or anything else, if I have to do the cameras, that is the simple. Go here and then boom, you got your money. And now let me show you. You can use this glitch to get to places where you can't go, but only if you have a key card or a cop lets you go in. I'll be showing you those places. And it's very simple. Okay, let's put my helicopter right there. So they want to do the same thing, but do the door. But you can't just walk straight to the door. Wait, I guess you can. I don't know. But you go here, boom, see, that's simple. Then, look. Boop. This might get patched, but have fun when you can, then boom. You get your crap, blah, 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 got your coin. Let's try to put some cop clothes on. Oh crap. But, okay. And then if you want to go back out, but you gotta do it quick and boom, then run. Just run. And that basically is it. Has no clip without hacking. And that's me 400 bounty. And plus, it works for anything. But if I was you, don't do this. Don't do that. You just fall straight into the void. See. Wall. Yep. Okay. Just lost my helicopter. Ooh, here. One thing I not tried yet is this bar. It don't work. Alright. Yeah, that's basically it. Bye.